Hello, YouTube and Facebook fans. This is Carin Lynch at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, where today we're going to do another simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe. We're going to do a Carob-Hazelnut Mousse. All right, let's take a look at our ingredients. First, we're going to start with some hazelnuts. Now, these hazelnuts are roasted, and all you have to do is stick them in the oven at about 350 degrees for maybe like 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes, just to brown them. Keep an eye on them. You might want to turn them over a little bit. We've got some coconut milk. We've got dates. Now, dates are going to be actually our sweetener as well as a healthy fiber in our diet. Now, what I've done is I've soaked these dates in a little warm water to make them easier to blend because everything is going to go in our blender. We've got some carob powder. Now, you would think, oh, I'm using cocoa powder. Actually, no, I'm using carob powder. Carob is a great chocolate substitute. Not only is it caffeine-free, it does not have the dairy in it or anything that sometimes cocoa has in it. So you want to use carob. Carob actually is from the pod of an evergreen tree. It's and you just grind that up. You can buy this carob powder right in any health food store and sometimes even your regular food store. We've also got a little coffee substitute. Now, what this coffee substitute is made of a grain, and what we're going to use it for is to bring out a chocolate flavor. Sometimes when people bake or do desserts, they use coffee in with chocolate. This is the same principle. It's going to just break a richer, tastier flavor. I've got a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, a little vanilla flavoring. And then, of course, I've got some toppings. I've chopped up some of our hazelnuts, and I also have some carob chips. All right, one of my favorite ways to cook is just blend. So everything is going to go in the blender. And we're going to blend this for at least a minute because we want it to be really smooth and really creamy. All right, once we're all blended up, all we need to do is pour it into our serving dish and refrigerate probably for an hour or so, just to firm it up a bit. All right, once you've refrigerated the Carob-Hazelnut Mousse, all you need to do is top it and eat it. These are just a little chopped hazelnuts. And today I'm using just a little bit of carob chips. Okay, the best part, giving it a try. This is so silky, so smooth, so sweet. It is going to satisfy any chocolate craving you may have. Well, friends, our time is up here at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, but I want to remind you to go to our YouTube channel, DIY Health, or our Facebook page, Wildwood Lifestyle Center. There you'll find tons of videos about natural health, cooking, recipes, and many other things.